So welcome back. In today's video, we are going to look at something interesting. We are going to look at multiple inheritance. So in the previous video, we saw that a class can inherit attributes of another class, and that class itself can also be having a parent class. Today we are going to dive more deeper into that and we see. So what if I have three classes? So let me first create a class here called test. So what if I have three classes, class A, B, and C? Can they inherit attributes of themselves at the same time? Let us try it and we see. So I'm having class A, I'm having class B, and I'm having class C. So inside here, I'll put public, I'll put a method public void show, call it show. This show is simply going to print out this is class A. I can reuse this in class B, the same method, but here I'll use class B instead of class A. The same thing in class C here. So put here space to avoid confusion. So this is what I'm meaning. I'm meaning, can a class like C inherit both attributes of A, B, of B, A at the same time? Let us try it and we see. So I'll come here, I'll say extends. So in the previous video, we saw that class C can inherit attributes of class B. This is allowed. This is called a single inheritance way of doing things. But can class C inherit both class B and A at the same time? Say A. You can see that this cannot work. I have written class C extends B, comma, and A. This cannot work. Okay, someone can try and say, instead of using a comma, you can use extend. You can see even this cannot work, simply because if C inherits from both A and B, and both have a show class, this show class, or show method, sorry, not show class, and both have the show method, Java won't know which show method to use. Hopefully I'm clear. Java won't know which show method to use. This is having show, and in this class we are having show, and here we are saying that B class C can extend B and A, meaning Java won't know which show method to print out, meaning this won't be accepted. Yeah, simply in other words, Java does not support multiple inheritances. Yeah, Java does not support multiple inheritances. In the coming video, we are going to look at how Java solved this issue using interfaces, but for now, we can term it and say Java does not support multiple inheritances. In other programming languages, like C, this can be accepted. This can be accepted. A class can extend both A and B, or can extend multiple. But in Java, Java saw this and this was somehow more confusing. What if a class has the same name, like here, like this example? This class B is having a show method and class A is also having a show method, meaning there will be a confusion here. Java won't know which show method to call or to use, something like this. So in other programs, so this can cause also a confusion, and the confusion is termed as ambiguity. Ambiguity is whereby a class, you are confused which class or which attributes are you having at the moment. So that's called ambiguity. So Java saw that and removed the multiple inheritances. So Java simply does not support multiple inheritances. But this was solved through interfaces, which we are going to look at in the coming video. So that's it for today. What you can do at the moment, you can do something like this to solve this without using interfaces. You can say C can extend attributes of class B, and class B can also extend attributes of class A. This will work simply because after C extending attributes from class B, C can access attributes from class B, and the same thing with A. After B extending attributes from class A, B can have access to attributes of all properties of class A, meaning here we can find attributes of both B and A. So if C extends B, now here in this case we can have attributes of B at the same time as of A. So you can do something like this instead of extending both at the same line. We are going to look at interfaces in the coming video, how we can solve such. But for now, Java does not support multiple inheritances at the same time. Thank you for today.